It's Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I am back today on Mother's Day to wish all of the mothers, whether you've been a mother for 4 days, 4 years, 14 years, or 40 years or more, we love you. Whether you're a mom who has birthed children or an adoptive mom, or whether you're even a mom who is a mom figure, a godmother, a female mentor, someone who has coached women along the way, we want to wish every single mother a blessed, a peaceful, a wonderful Mother's Day. We want to let you know that we see you. We want to let you know that we're grateful for you. We want to let you know that we love you. We also want to let you know that we don't always understand what it is that you have to go through as a mom when you're balancing a home and possibly a career and perhaps going to school part-time, whether you're a homeschooling mom or you are a soccer mom, we want you to know that we love you and we're grateful for you. You have blessed our lives tremendously, and we thank you for your leadership at home, at your place of business, places where you volunteer, and perhaps in your church, temple, or synagogue. We are grateful for every single nurturing woman, nurturing mother that we have been blessed with. Have a wonderful day as we celebrate you.